Looking to shape metal with precision and power? Ult. Today we're checking out the ultimate metal lathes, built for accuracy, durability, and professional results. That's why in this video, we are checking out the 5 best metal lathe in 2025. So let's find out. Number 5. The LYWM210 is a semi-automatic, CNC-ready benchtop metal lathe. It's designed for hobbyists, model makers, and small workshops that need more precision and repeatability than a fully manual lathe, but aren't ready for a full, expensive CNC setup. 1100W 1.5 HP provides good power for a benchtop machine capable of handling steel, though lighter cuts will be necessary compared to a large industrial lathe. Brushless motor, a significant advantage. Brushless motors are more efficient, run cooler, have higher torque at low speeds, and require less maintenance than traditional brush motors. This is the core of the machine. It means the lathe has a motorized carriage that can move the tool along the bed, the Z-axis, automatically. This is a very large spindle bore for a machine in this class. It allows you to pass long bars of material through the headstock. Number 4. Mini Metal Lathe Machine 0 to 2,500 revolutions per minute variable speed. This is a compact, fully manual, variable speed benchtop lathe. It's a versatile machine designed for light-duty work in home workshops, model shops, and for hobbyists. It's suitable for working with soft metals, aluminum, brass, plastics, and wood. This is the biggest difference from the LYWM210. Every movement of the tool and carriage is controlled by hand using hand wheels and levers. Pros: teaches the fundamental skills of machining, simple to understand, direct feel for the cutting process. This is a key feature for versatility. You can adjust the spindle speed to suit the material and the diameter of your workpiece. Low RPM, 0-500 essential for safe and effective turning of large metal diameters or when using a parting tool. High RPM, 1500 to 2500 useful for finishing cuts on metal or for turning wood and plastic. Number 3. The VEVOR 8x16 is a robust, fully manual benchtop lathe with some modern conveniences like variable speed and dual voltage capability. It's significantly more substantial than the generic 0 to 2,500 revolutions per minute mini lathe, but lacks the semi-automatic features of the LYWM210. It's designed for the serious hobbyist or small professional who needs a capable, general-purpose machine for precise manual work. 8-inch swing. This means it can handle workpieces up to 8 inches in diameter. This is larger and more capable than the typical 7-inch swing mini lathes. 16-inch between centers. This is the maximum length of a workpiece you can turn between the chuck and the tailstock. This is a useful size for making longer shafts, tool handles, or multiple smaller parts without resetting. This is a solid middle ground power rating. It's more powerful than the basic 500W mini lathes, giving you more capability for taking cuts in steel and other tough materials, but it's less than the 1100W brushless motor on the LYWM210. Number 2. This appears to be a standard-duty, geared head metal lathe with a very practical work envelope, marketed specifically to the European market with a major focus on simplifying the import process. The 220 by 600 mm size indicates it's a more substantial machine than the typical benchtop models. This is solid, serious power for a lathe in this size class. It's equivalent to the powerful LYWM210 and is sufficient for taking respectable cuts in steel and other metals. 220 mm swing, 8.7 inch. This is the height from the bed to the spindle center, doubled. It means it can handle workpieces up to about 220 mm, 8.7 inches, in diameter. This is a good, general-purpose size. 600 mm between centers, 23.6 inch. This is the standout feature. A 600 mm, almost 2 foot, bed length is excellent for longer workpieces like shafts, barrels, or making multiple parts without frequent resetup. This places it well beyond the capacity of smaller 16-inch lathes. Number 1. The JYP 300VF Household Small Multifunction Lathe Bench Drill Turning Drilling and Milling Machine Metal Mill Machine 1500W is a combination machine tool designed for a variety of metalworking tasks in a compact, workshop-friendly size. It combines the functionality of a lathe, a drill press, multifunction, combines turning, drilling, and milling capabilities in one unit. Variable speed. Features a 1.5 kilowatts variable frequency motor for the lathe function, allowing for a wide range of spindle speeds. Gear system utilizes full metal gears. Spindle often includes an SKF bearing for improved accuracy, lower noise, and longer life. This is a very high power rating for a machine in this class, and is its most prominent feature. In theory, this provides significant torque for cutting metals, including steel. However, power isn't the only factor in performance.